Who is the father of modern genetics? George John Mendel. Who is the father of modern genetics? George Gregor John Mendel. The law of inheritance was discovered by Gregor John Mendel. He is known the father of genetics. Question second. The scientist known as father of genetics is G. J. Mendel. Question 3. The classical Mendel's work on his law of inheritance was performed on the organisms. This is Garden P. The classical Mendel work on his laws of inheritance was performed on the organisms. Garden P. इसका explanation देख लेते हैं. Hybridization was experimented Garden P planned first by George Mendel. Gregor Mendel, after studying the 7 types of qualities of P, he rendered 3 laws as law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independent stroke. Law of dominance, law of segregations, and law of independent assortment. Mendel's principle of inheritance based on vegetation proportion, sexual proportion, sexual reproduction. Mendel's principle of inheritance is based on sexual reproduction. Genome mapping related to blood grouping, mapping of genes हो जाएगा. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. जीन मेथड यूज्ड for determining the location of gene, a relative distance between gene and the chromosome. The essence of all genome mapping is to place a collection of molecular markers onto their respective position on the genome. Molecular markers come in all forms. Gene can be viewed as one special type of genetic markers in the construction of genome map and map the same way as any other markers. Question 6. The unit of heredity in our body is called gene. The gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Gene, which consists of DNA, are the genetic material and the unit of heredity in human. Gene vary in size from a few hundred DNA base to more than 2 million bases. Gene is a segment of DNA and histones, a segment of DNA and RNA histones, और ये जो है segment of DNA है, यानी ऑप्शन ए है. In such chromosome, DNA is a very long and molecule and the small pairs of this molecule are called gene. Generally, gene contain 5,000 to 1 lakh pair nucleotide monomers of DNA molecules. Question number: change in the base sequence with a gene is called mutation. A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Change in the base sequence within a gene is called mutation. Mutation is the changing of the structure of a gene resulting in variant from them that may be transmitted to the subsequent. Mutation is the ultimate source of all genetic variations, providing the raw material on which evolutionary forces such as natural selection can act. Question number 9. Hereditary symptoms are moved in the descendant of the creature by chromosome. Hereditary symptoms are moved in the descendant of creature by chromosome. Explanation देख लेते हैं. In the descent of creature, the hereditary symptoms are moved chromosome. These are made from a nucleoproteins. The term chromosome was coined by Waldeyer. The small pieces of chromatin during the partition of cells are known as chromosome on which genes are found. Question number 10. Which one of the following is responsible for controlling the hereditary character of the living cells? Enzyme, RNA, hormone, DNA. तो इसका DNA हो जाएगा. DNA is responsible for storing and transferring genetic information, while RNA directly codes of amino acid and act as the messenger between DNA and ribosomes to make proteins. However, studies show that RNA replaces DNA in some viruses like tobacco mosaic virus, QB bacteriophage. It is so not every the DNA is the hereditary material. Some have RNA, but DNA is the predominant one and the majority of higher level organisms. RNA plays the role of a messenger. Question number 10. Which of the following responsible to controlling the hereditary character of the living cell? DNA और RNA messenger का काम करता है. Question 11. Who delivered the principle of jumping genes? George John Mendel, Thomas Hunt. ये बारबरा जंपिंग जीन्स का प्रिंसिपल बारबरा मैकलिंटॉक. Barbara McClintock delivered the principle of jumping genes. She was awarded Nobel Prize in 1983 for special research in medical science while studying of heredity in the corn plant. He saw that some hereditary elements are able to move chromosome. She found in her study that there are some spots on the grains of corn by the hereditary change done by jumping genes. Then the conclusion is given that every cell have the part of DNA which are important in development. Question number 12. Which compound present in DNA does not form amino acids? Then triosine does not form amino acid. Triosine is or 4-hydroxyphenylalanine is one of the 22 amino acids that are used by cell to synthesize protein. Its codons are UAC and UAU. Is a non-essential amino acid with a polar side group. It is first discovered as Charles by German chemist Justus von Liebig in the protein casein from cheese. It is called tyrosyl when referred to as a functional group or side chain. Sugar present in DNA, deoxyribose. Deoxyribose sugar found in DNA. It is variant of the 5-carbon sugar called ribose. The DNA is in formation mainly in the nucleus of the cell. Question number 14. Who first outlined the structure of the gene molecules? Dr. James Watson and Dr. Francis Crick. Who first outlined the gene molecules? James Watson, Francis Crick. James Dew Watson was an American molecular biologist, genetics and geologist, best known as one of the co-discoverer of the most structured double helix model of DNA in 1953 with Francis Crick. Watson, Crick and Maurice Wilkins are awarded the 1960 Nobel Prize in the Physiology or the Medicine for their discoveries, connecting the molecular structure of the nucleic acid and its significance for information transfer. Question number 14. Who first outlined the structure of the gene? हो गया James Watson and Francis Crick. Question 15. James D. Watson, Francis Crick are processed with the discovery of vaccine structure of DNA. Who has proposed the first time the double helix model of DNA? Watson and Crick. Nobel Prize winning scientist James D. Watson is known for his work in the metallurgy, environment genetics. Double helix DNA is given by whom? Watson and Crick. Watson associated discovered DNA 1869. Double helix model of DNA was given by the Watson and Francis Crick. Who discovered DNA? James Watson, Francis Crick, George Mendel. Who discovered the DNA? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा जेम्स वाटसन, फ्रांस क्रिक एंड ग्रेगोर मेंडल. ये दोनों हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन ई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. राइबोसोम्स आर राइबो बी RNA हो जाएगा राइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड. राइबोसोम इज राइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड enzyme that catalyze a chemical reaction. The ribosomes catalyze a specific reaction in similar way to that of protein enzyme, also called catalytic RNA. Ribosomes are found in the ribosome where the amino acids together form protein chains. Thomas R. Sidney Altman was awarded Nobel Prize in the RNA का कैटालिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ RNA का डिस्कवर किसने किया था? सिडनी अल्टमान. क्वेश्चन 21. क्रोमोसोम नंबर इन एनी स्पीसीज कांस्टेंट रहता है, ये ना बढ़ता है ना घटता है. द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम वैरी फ्रॉम स्पीसीज टू स्पीसीज बट इट रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट फॉर पार्टिकुलर स्पीसीज. इट डज नॉट चेंज विद द एज और वेट. इट मोस्ट एनिमल्स हाउएवर एनी चेंज फ्रॉम दिस टिपिकल क्रोमोसोम नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज. क्वेश्चन 20. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट हैव सेक्स क्रोमोसोम? सेक्स क्रोमोसोम नहीं होता लिजार्ड के. क्रायोटैप्स ऑफ मेनी स्पीसीज ऑफ जीन्स for the generalization that are no morphological recognizable sex hormone in lizard. Question 20. How many chromosomes are there in humans? 46. 23 pair. In human, each cell normally contains 23 pair of chromosomes. A total of 46. 22 of these pairs are called autosomes, where the same in both males and female. 23rd pair of sex chromosomes differ between males and females. Females have 2 copies of XX chromosome. Question number 24. In number of chromosome pair found in the cell of human body is 23 pair. 25. In a human being, the female play a major role in determining the sex of offspring. Women have 2x, ये तो दोनों ही सही लग रहा है ना. सॉरी, इसमें एक्स क्रोमोसोम वन ऑफ द टू सेक्स डिटरमाइनिंग क्रोमोसोम. इसमें ये जो फॉल्स है और ट्रू है, तो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं एक बार. The X chromosome is one of the two sex-determining chromosomes in mainly animal species, including mammals, and found in both males and females. Each person normally has one of pair of sex chromosomes. In each cell, females have two X chromosomes, whereas males have one X and Y chromosome. X of male and X of female give birth to female child, 44 plus XX, whereas Y of male and X of 44 plus XY. Thus, human being the male play a major role in a determining sex chromosome. फीमेल में मेल करता है, क्योंकि मेल में अलग अलग टाइप का होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. मेल जीन कंस्टिट्यूट एक्स वाई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. विच कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ क्रोमोसोम मैन कैन गिव बर्थ अ मेल चाइल्ड? एक्स ऑफ फीमेल और वाई ऑफ मेल. ऑप्शन सी हो जाएगा. 27. Which combination of chromosome man can give you? 28 number. Which of the following professional are more likely to run this permanent change in their DNA cells? Researchers using carbon-14 isotopes, X-ray technicians, coal. तो ऑप्शन डी हो, सिर्फ 2 हो जाएगा सही, बाकी सब गलत है. ए रे टेक्नीशियन आर मोर लाइकली X-ray technicians are more likely to run the risk of a permanent change in their cell DNA compared to others.